In this video, we will learn how to use the nested if function or the nested if statement in Microsoft Excel. Okay, now we have the following scores: 55, 60, 50, 75, 50, 40, and then 25. Okay, now we want to use, or we are going to use the nested if statements or the nested if functions to find a grade for each score. Okay, so let's say grade let's say score greater than 50 has a grade of A. Okay, and then score and then a score less than 50 has a grade of B. Okay, and then score of 50. Okay, score of 50 has a grade of, let's say, C. Okay, let me do it well. Let's say a score which is greater than 50 has a grade of A. Okay, and score less than 50 has a grade of C, and a score which is equal to 50, a score of 50 has a grade of B. Okay, this one is more understandable. Okay, so now if a score is greater than 50, the grade should be A. If a score is less than 50, the grade should be C. And then if the score is less than, or if the score is equal to 50, then the grade should be B. Okay, now let's use the if statements. So equal, if open parenthesis, then I select the first score is greater than 50, then A, comma, if open parenthesis again, then I select the first score again is less than 50, comma, then the grade is C, comma, else B. Okay, and here I close the parenthesis again, then I close the parenthesis again, because the ifs, there are two ifs, the first if and the second if, so the parenthesis must also be 2. Okay, the last parenthesis closes the first parenthesis. Okay, and the first parenthesis closes this second parenthesis. Okay, now if the content in cell A2, which is 55, is greater than 50, then the grade should be A. If the content in A2, which is 55, is less than 50, then the grade should be C. Else, the grade should be B. B means it is neither greater than 50 and nor less than 50, and automatically it means it is equal to 50. Okay, so now I press enter, and 55 is greater than 50, so A. Now you put the cursor at the bottom right corner here, then you drag down. Okay, and the rest have been also calculated. So 60 is greater than 50, so it is A. And then 50, the score of 50 is equal to 50, so B. And the score of 40 is less than 50, so C. Okay, so this is how to use the nested if functions or the nested if statements in Microsoft Excel.